Today in this session I am going to explain you how to find out the LCM in just few seconds. So it's very useful in competitive examinations and it is also going to speed up your calculations. So if you want to find out the LCM of 2, 4, 8 and 16. So as we have studied in lower standard that how we can find out the LCM, there is normal method, that is 2, 4, 8 and 16. So we find out the common multiple of these numbers, so that is 2, 4, 8, then 2 into 1, 2 and 4, then so we keep on doing till we get all as 1. So the LCM of these numbers will be nothing but 2 into 2, that is 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, that is 16. So LCM of 2, 4, 8 and 16 is 16. So it's a very lengthy process and it takes lots of time. So in competitive examination we want to save our time. So how we can find out the LCM just by looking the numbers. So for example 2, 4, 8 and 16. So what we have to do here is you have to find out the biggest number here. So the biggest number here is 16. Now the remaining numbers, now we have to see whether the remaining numbers are divisors of 16 or not. Now 16 is divisible by 2, yes. So 16 is also divisible by 4, 16 is also divisible by 8. So the biggest number is divisible by all the remaining numbers, so the LCM will be nothing but here 16. Now we'll see the next one. For example 2, 3, 7 and 21. So the biggest number here is 21. Now 21, whether 21 is divisible by 2? No, it's not divisible by 2. So what we are going to do here is we'll multiply that number by 2. 21 into 2, that is 42. So we'll get 42. Now 42 is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. 42 is also divisible by 3. And 42 is also divisible by 7. So now 42 is divisible by all the remaining numbers. So the LCM of 2, 3, 7 and 21 will be nothing but 42. Now the next one, that is 3, 9 and 21. So the biggest number here is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. Yes. Now 21 is not divisible by 9. So we are going to multiply 21 by 2. So 21 into 2 is 42. So now 42 again is not divisible by 9. So we are going to multiply it by 3. So 21 into 3, that is 63. Now 63 is divisible by 9 and 63 is also divisible by 3. So the LCM will be nothing but 63. Now the next one, 10, 20 and 30. So the biggest number here is 30. So the remaining numbers are whether they are divisors or not. So 30 is divisible by 10. 30 is not divisible by 20. So we are going to multiply this by 2. So 30 into 2 is 60. Now 60 is divisible by 20. Yes, 60 is also divisible by 60. So the LCM of 10, 20 and 30 is nothing but 60. Now the next example, that is 8, 24 and 36. Now the biggest number here is 36. So 36 is not divisible by 8. So we'll multiply 36 by 2. So 36 into 2, that is 72. So 72, now 72 is divisible by 8. Yes, 8 into 9, that is 72. And 72 is also divisible by 24 because 24 into 3 is 72. So the LCM of 8, 24 and 36 is nothing but 72. So now the last example, that is 8, 11 and 16. So the biggest number here is 16. Now 16 is divisible by 8. Yes, 16 is not divisible by 11. So whenever you get this type of case where the remaining number, which is not the divisor of the biggest number and is a prime number. Now here 11 is a prime number. So what you have to do is just multiply that prime number with the biggest number. So it will be 11 into 16 is nothing but 176. So the LCM of 8, 11 and 16 will nothing but be 176. So whenever you get that the remaining numbers are divisor of 8, divisor of that biggest number, and but one number, the remaining number is a prime number, and that is not the divisor of that biggest number, then what you have to do, just multiply that prime number with the biggest number, that will be the LCM of that number. So this is how we can find out the LCM of any numbers in just few seconds. So hope it will be helpful for your examinations. Thank you.